let us see the background of the creation of the world. Almighty Allah created the universe and developed the infrastructure with all the comfort and blessing for the beloved creatures, and created malaikas with light which unfortunately could not be beneficial for consumption. So was the case of second creation of jinns, who were created with the fire but unable to be the beneficiary. Finally, clay was the material used to create man, which had the quality of touch and sense, with all the ability to explore, find, consume and use. All that was created by Almighty Allah. Man was created as a honored Almighty Allah as unique of all creatures, giving the man to be the custodian of all the resources that Almighty Allah owns alone. Creation of man. The Adam was the gigantic and superlative part of the blessings of Almighty Allah to make man a beneficiary of all the entire infrastructure of universe. It was man, the Adam, who was asked to live happily in the heaven and enjoy the blessing that put the Adam ultimately turned into the creation of Eve, and thus gender was divided into two forms: the masculine gender, Adam, and the feminine gender, the woman, Eve. Now, the creation of woman from the ribs of the man confirmed the inevitable status of woman, with the concept that woman was created from the left rib of the man that always remained close to the heart of the man and in the protection of the strong hands of the man. Thus, the creation of women was the man is the birth of their respective responsibilities, which clearly define that man is responsible to the life of woman and woman is dutiable to develop the generation for the man. In addition to the two factors, genders were given sense to undertake the lifestyle in total cooperation and participation in all respect of their life and keep the best for the best and in the best to each other. The concept of economic in the life of a man, in which Adam and Eve life took a turn, that developed a concept of economics in their life, and it was established on the day Adam was created and had to live in heaven and enjoyed the blessing for which he was given permission to be the beneficiary. He was restricted for certain acts of consumption, which clear warning of Almighty Allah. On the assumption of Iblis, who did not accept the superiority of the man over him, Adam and Eve committed to the disobedience of Allah Almighty. When temptation turned into the confirmation of economics principles revolving around the theory of need, want and desire that lead to act, acquire and accept. The act of Adam created two results for all acts of men, which are known as reward and punishment. To the planet from where the clay was taken as an amana to develop human body. They were asked to develop mankind and make the earth into the world. And for the world, a demarcated system of life was identified to them that have to be applied, which is classified as the natural economic system. And today it is called socio-economic system, which stand parallel to the man-made conventional system. Now we come to the demarcation and introduction to the Islamic economic system. Since the socio-economic system has the base of the Holy Quran, it can be given a definition in its practical aspect, and it is defined as any activity that has commercial, economical and financial purpose with the priority of socio benefit to a mankind is classified as Islamic economics.